everyone, it's Julie from That's So Jules. Today I wanted to do an unboxing with you. I got some happy mail from Carolina Little Stitches. It arrived with this adorable tape, so I already know her packaging is going to be amazing. So let's open her up and see what we got. Okay, we first just got our packaging slip here. It looks like everything is wrapped nicely in bubble wrap. I know what's in here, so I cannot wait to show you. So as we open this up, I've got this cute pink pouch, a sparkly, stitchy, bitchy besties sticker, and we've got her social media @ and a little thank you card. Our little packet here, I'm going to show you all of these and what exactly they do. It goes with this, and this is for zipper overlays. This product is amazing, so be sure to stick around. And another cute little sticker, cut once. So let's open this little pink baggie and I'll show you what I got in here first. Now these were custom made with my logo. She has a few different logo products. We've got our instructions on how to take care of your photography tools. I will show you each of these individually and what they do. The first logo product I got is this hanging acrylic tag. I got mine in a matte clear finish, but she has lots of beautiful different acrylic colors to choose from. And it also comes with this little hook. All we do is hook the little S clip right through this hole. You got it hooked on. You can use this for your photography pictures. Just hook it wherever you'd like on your item or your bag. And it is just a physical watermark that will show your logo as you take your pictures. This one is also a physical watermark. This you can either just stand with your bag or your sewn item, or it's also really good for flat lays. So if it was like an article of clothing or even just a bag, if you wanted to lay it and have your logo, you can set it wherever you'd like, and you don't have to deal with editing and adding a digital watermark anymore. This tool can also be used as a physical watermark, just like the other ones. I think it's also great because it shows the scale of the fabric that you're using, or you can just use it as a little ruler as you're sewing. Now let's have some fun with this zipper overlay. I got the 7.5 inch size. She has two other sizes as well. I'm gonna pour all these out. What's really neat about this tool is that it is interchangeable. I'm going to peel off all of this brown backing and show you what she looks like. As you're peeling the paper off, if there's any remnants that aren't coming up, you can just grab some duct tape and it'll peel that right off. Otherwise, it's pretty easy to peel off. I'm just using my fingernail, but you can use that duct tape. You just kind of find the corner there and peel both sides so that your template is clear. I have to show you how freaking pretty. So I got this hot neon pink. She's got lots of different colors, as I mentioned earlier, but oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I love anything pink. Each of these right and left side, she has them labeled with right and left so that you can tell which side goes on which end. And it should just nicely snap in place. Oh my gosh, I just finished unwrapping all these. They are gorgeous. I don't even think the color is like picking up fully on this camera. It is like neon and gorgeous. So I noticed a few things, little details that she does. So the rounded edges, they'll say left and right, and they'll have a little circle next to them. And same with your square. You'll notice that there's a square. So each different shape, she's got the little shape carved out next to the right and the left. Here's the circle. She's also got the square shape, the trapezoid shape, diamond, round. She's got them cut out without right and left. That way you can grab your, for example, rounded, and you can use these nifty little rings that she gives you, and you can hook them together. For example, here's my rounded edges, and you can just put them together. She gives you a ring for each of the different shapes that you can hook, and then you can also hook your rings to the zipper template just for easy storage. But let's dive in and show you what these do. Depending what you are making and the design that you want for your bag, you can attach your left and your right. And now we can cut out our vinyl overlay for your interior zipper pocket or exterior pocket. And we've got different choices for how the edge looks, depending on how you want it to look for your finished product. Isn't this like the most ingenious, innovative thing ever? I'm so excited to play with this. So I have to show you, how cool is this? So I had a ring to place each individual style on, and then a ring to hook all those on. So they are all organized and kept together. I'm really impressed with the little details that she does. She's just one of my favorite small business owners. She is very inspiring, and she does create amazing, innovative tools. I know she makes her products in rounds because she is just a one-woman show. Her next round, I believe, is opening at the end of September. She has a Facebook group that you are welcome to join, and she will keep you posted on when her next round is open. Thank you to Kayla from Carolina Little Stitches for these awesome notions and tools. If any of you want to see me use these, be sure to follow me on TikTok or join my That's So Jules Facebook sewing page. You are welcome to show me what you make with these awesome tools in there, or to share any of your sewing projects. I will link Kayla's business group page in my description, as well as mine. I have a few tutorials in the works, so be sure to follow. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great week.